in this video I will show you how to create a channel on Viber. Firstly, as you want to create that selection, you need to simply go tap on that button section which is right down, go on it and go new channel on the second selection. As you get right there, it will take up to all these selections which will take and simply get description on what's going on with that channel, what is channel on Viber and all that stuff. And go create a channel right down on the second button, take the name of the channel, and as you get done with all that stuff, you can describe your channel right here. Also, you're going to be available to take an age restriction which will take up and get people who have just got points of that year or that are available for that age of sections. And as you get all that selection, you simply go on the tick on your right upper side, and when you go out and create that site, here you need to invite all these site selections that you want to join into your channel.